So in this video, I want to show you how to make $700 in about an hour and a half. That's right, $700 in an hour and a half. And no, this isn't clickbait. Yes, we just got done doing this house right here, $700. And yes, you can do the same thing. I'm actually working today with doing a little ride along with Mr. DJ, and I wanted to show you how you can make $700 per hour. It can definitely be done, and we just did it today. Just for the roof clean, $700, and we were in and out in about 2 hours. And that was me doing a lot of filming. I've actually done a lot of filming today, getting it up on the roof, different angles, stuff like that. And I wanted to show you that you can make $700 an hour, or $700 an hour and a half, and we have probably less than 20 gallons of bleach. So even if you're paying he's paying $2 a gallon for bleach, so we're at $40 worth of chemical, and it can be done. So I want to just show you the things of what we're going to do here, and basically all we did was the roof clean, and I'll let you watch the roof clean as we go here. So that way I know I'm going to get it clean. So we was talking about cost and stuff, and so right here's our bleach tank, and we used a whopping about 7, I'll even give you 10 gallons. So a $700 job, 10 gallons of bleach, 2 hours worth of time. Definitely worth your time doing this stuff.